Good morning. I am Himanshu Surya, lecturer in Electronics Communication and Engineering branch. Today's my lecture based on De Morgan theorem. In De Morgan theorem has two law. First one is complement of a sum of variable is equal to the product of their individual complement. It means a plus b bar equals to a bar dot b bar. According to the table, here is a, b, a plus b bar, a bar, b bar and a bar dot b bar. If a 0, b 0, resultant a plus b 0, a plus b bar equals to 1, a bar 1, b bar again 1 and a bar dot b bar also 1. If ab a0, b1, resultant a plus b equals to 1, a plus b bar equals to 0, a bar 1, b bar 0 and a bar dot b bar 0. If a1, b0, a plus b equals to 1, a plus b bar equals to 0, a bar 0, b bar 1 and a bar dot b bar equals to 0. If both are 1, a1 and b1, then resultant a plus b equals to 1, a plus b bar equals to 0, a bar 0, b bar 0, then multiplication of a bar dot b bar equals to 0. According to the law, a plus b bar equals to a bar dot b bar, showing in table a plus b bar equals to 1, then a bar dot b bar also 1, a plus b bar equals to 0, there a bar b bar also 0, a plus b bar 0, there a bar dot b bar is also 0, and last one a plus b bar 0, there a bar dot b bar 0. According to the table, here a and b two input, a input connected with the input terminal and b input also connected to the input terminal. A and b input are connected to the NOR gate. So a and b both are connected to the NOR gate. It means its output will be a plus b bar and output is connected to the output terminal. Connection are completed, a plus b bar is resultant. If a0, b0 resultant is a plus b bar equals to 1, because a0, b0, it means a plus b also 0 and a plus b bar equals to 1. If a0, b1, so then a plus b resultant is 1 and output is a plus b bar 0. If a1, b0, it means a plus b equals to 1, then its complement of a plus b is also again 0. If both are 1, a1, b1, it means a plus b is 1 and its complement of a plus b bar equals to 0. A plus b bar equals to a bar dot b bar. According to the table, here two input A and second input is B. Input A is connected to the input indicator and input B is connected to the also input indicator. A plus B are connected with the NOR gate. Then A and B both input are connected to the NOR gate and NOR gate output is also connected to the output indicator. Its resultant is A plus B bar. A plus B bar are also equal to A bar, B bar. So one input indicator is connected to the NOT gate. It means its resultant is A bar, and second input also is connected to the another NOT gate. It means output will be B bar. A bar and B bar. A bar resultant of A bar and B bar connected with the NAND gate. It means its resultant is the A plus B, because A bar dot B bar complement equals to A plus B. Output of the NAND gate is connected with the again NOT gate. It means A plus B bar equals to A bar dot B bar. We have here shown. So for comparison of A plus B bar and A bar B bar, if both input for A plus B bar 0 0, it means A0 B0, then resultant A plus B equals to 0 and A plus B bar equals to 1. Here is shown. For A bar dot B bar, if A0 B0 resultant again also is 1, it means A plus B bar and A bar dot B bar for A equals to 0 and B equals to 0 are same. Again, if A0 B1 for A plus B bar resultant is 0, and here again A0 and B1 for A bar dot B bar resultant again also is 0. If A1 B0 for A1 B0 for A plus B bar resultant is again 0, same as if A1 and B0, if A1 and B0 for A bar B bar resultant is also again 0. If both are 1 for A plus B bar resultant is also 0, and A bar dot B bar again A and B are 1, resultant is also 0. It means A plus B bar equals to A bar dot B bar.